Multiply 162 by 18 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Put 6 in this column and carry 1. 8 times 6 plus the carried 1 is 49. Put 9 in this column and carry 4. 8 times 1 plus the carried 4 is 12. The first partial product is 1296. Now use the tens digit, 1. Start one place to the left. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 1 is 1. The second partial product is 1620. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 6 plus 0 is 6. In the tens column, 9 plus 2 is 11. Put 1 in this column and carry 1. In the hundreds column, 2 plus 6 plus the carried 1 is 9. In the thousands column, 1 plus 1 is 2. The product of the whole numbers is 2916. So 162 times 18 is 2916.